a boy playing with dolls and a girl playing with cars. This may sound weird to you, but why? Well, the answer is gender roles.
Hello, and welcome to our research paper. We are Antonio Ponce and Magda Figueroa.
But why do we believe this is because of gender roles? Well, our thesis and belief about the topic is that children's interactions with objects, toys, and behaviors related to their gender influence their idea on the way they should act. One of the quotes we chose said that young children construct understandings of their gender during the preschool years. They accurately apply common gender stereotypes to toys by the time they are 3 and readily predict their parents' opinions about gender-typical and cross-gender play. This is a quote stated by Freeman on the year 2007. Next up is our methodology, which was divided in 5 main steps. Our first step was the sample selection, in which we had to choose between students of 2nd, 4th, and 6th semester of Tecnológico de Monterrey, from which we chose the ones of 2nd semester. The second step was a brainstorm about the aspects we should cover in our research. The third step was to create several questions that would cover the main aspects and rank them according to importance. The fourth step was to create a survey in Google Forms with the questions we had formulated, and then turn it into a QR code so the students could access the survey easily. And our final step was to go from classroom to classroom to ask students to scan the QR code so they could access the survey. In this research, we discovered different things. So, even though many students affirm that gender roles do affect children, they didn't really seem affected by them.
We also discovered that gender roles are very present in our society, but as people grow up, they learn to overcome the influence they have in their life, making them not so harmful for adults and teenagers.
In conclusion, gender roles do seem to affect the view of how children should behave in the future. But, as we mentioned in our discussion, as they grow up, they learn to overcome these stereotypes and they don't affect them as much.